First, stir the egg. Then prepare tomatoes. When we cook with gas stove, there is a chemical equation of natural gas combustion. Methane burns in oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water. Put oil here, heat it. After a while, put the egg. Here's a very important reaction which is called protein denaturation. The secondary and tertiary structure of protein is lost. The whole chain becomes non-specific shape. This is because the weak forces between charged groups and mutual attraction of nonpolar groups are disrupted. Where there's heavy metals, acids, bases, alcohol, and high temperature. Back to the egg. When the solution of protein is boiled, the protein frequently becomes insoluble even when the solution is cooled. The denatured egg is an example of irreversible reaction. There is no exact equation because the real process is complicated. Look, it's becoming solid. Just wait. Put tomatoes. Here, vitamin C in tomatoes is oxidized at high temperature. Put tomato sauce. Put salt. Well done!